Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at how to get your driving permit if you're under 18 in Texas. So just search up drivers ed Texas and choose any of the education courses you see here. So there's ACEable, drivers ed, and then there's like a list on the DPS website. The DPS is the Department of Public Safety, or where you set up your appointment to go and get your license and also do your driving test. So what I use is ACEable. It's pretty nice because they also have like mobile app, so you can do it on the computer, like right now, or on your phone as well. And it says here you can earn your permit in just 6 hours. You can do it faster, maybe even, because the course is pretty simple. So just click on the link or go to aceable.com. I also have a link down below if you'd like to use to sign up. You save $10 and it also gives me a bit of money, like $10, so it'll be a win-win. So I would recommend it. You don't have to, but yeah. So you just click here and click start driver's ed, or if you choose a different course, you buy the course and then start doing it. After you finish your course, search up DPS Texas, and then if you scroll down you could look at appointments. Click on appointments and scroll down. It says schedule a driver's license appointment. So on dps.texas.gov, go to driver's license services and then to appointments and click on schedule. Alright, and then choose English and whatnot, and then just fill this out. It's gonna ask you for your name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your SSN. So just gotta put that in. If you don't know what that is, ask your parents or try to find it because you kind of need it. And then after that, you'll be met to screen. Just click on new appointment, and then here for me it's grayed out because I already got my permit, but you just click on this, set up your appointment. It will take you. So if I click on change, same idea, it takes you to the same exact screen but for permit. Just fill this out. So just fill it out real quick, and then no, I can't copy paste. That's sorry guys, it takes a second. And then you could do I prefer via text message or anything, but you don't have to check. If you like that, you can. You could do any day, or if you want a specific day, you can put it on here. I'm just gonna do any day because we are excited to get our permit, guys. So and then put our zip code and click next, and then because you put your zip code in, it will show you the nearest what's called DPS centers first, and then you just choose a day that fits for you. So the one that's closest to me, it says Rockwell. The earliest day I can get it is March 9th. So yeah, so you get your appointment, and then you also need to bring some documents. Like after you finish your course, it's going to give you a certificate. Like for this, you're going to have to print that out, bring that to them. And also you need to bring a few other documents. So what documents do we need? We can search that up. Permit, documents, needed. And then it says what to bring when applying. And then you could just look at here. So these are stuff that you'll need. It says you must bring the following documentation. So an application for original text driver's license. I think that's the paper they give you when you go to the office and you sign it, or it might be online. There's a link right here. Yeah, it's right here. You just print it out and fill it out and then bring it to them. And then proof of citizenship, or so if you're a citizen, that can be something like, well, it says right here, proof of citizenship. So you can bring your birth certificate, passport. Yeah, it just explains everything you need to bring, like residency, so that could be like utility bill, and you get it. So it just explains each of the things you need on the list. Like verification enrollment, you need to get that from your school. And yeah, this has everything you need to bring. So once you set your appointment and have your certificate from the course, you are ready. So I hope this answers most, if not all, of your questions, and I hope you learned something today. And good luck on y'all's journey to driving a car, guys. And thank you for watching. Also, sorry guys, I'm back. I'm editing this video. I'll also provide a link to this form in case y'all need it, because it shows everything you need to bring. Because if you don't bring some of these things, they might not give you your permit, and you would have to like reschedule, or they'll move you to next week's. So like you need your certificate and whatnot. So I'll just put that link down below. And thank you for watching.